Hi, my name is Kara Brown. I'm 16 years old. I attend the Osamars Technical High School. I am in the 100% Talent show. I am the second contestant on the leaderboard, and I want you guys to vote for me. I am feeling very, very happy and ready to show my talents.
What are your expectations from the judges?
Well, I expect perfect score.
Hey, this is what I'm talking about, Carrie Ann. Hey, trust me. I saw me know only one work I go on at home now.
So we have another contestant here by the name
Brianna Morris.
Brianna Morris. All right, Brianna. What are your expectations for today?
My expectations for today, I expect to get a lot of tens.
Out of 10s.
Yeah.
Very confident, I see. All right, so what will you be doing today? Dancing or singing?
I will be singing.
How did you first start to sing?
My mommy, she loved to sing, and every day in the house we'd be like singing a song, and then we laugh and have fun. Yeah, so it's because of my mommy. That's why I sing.
If you think Brianna have been flying right now here at 100% Talent Jamaica, make some noise! I mean, exciting. All right.
Hey, it's Brandon Ranger here, aka Space Kid. I'm a member of the 100% Talent. I'm so excited to be in this competition. It's the first time I'm in a competition like this, and say, yo, it's hot bad because the talents are up, and I'm here to bring my A game. And I'm just loving the vibe, honestly, because everyone is here to win, and I just love the competition. I'm very competitive.
Listen.
Keep you in the dark. What had you expected? Me to make you more art and make you a star and get you connected. I'll meet you in the park. I'll become collected. But we knew right from the start that you'd fall apart, cause I'm too expensive. But there's something that shouldn't be said all along.
Alright, Space Kid. Give them a Space Kid. If I tell them really talented, they move them, you know. Everybody, when nobody watch you, them have to laugh. You put a smile on their face because you're very dramatic with whatever you're doing right here. Alright.
Yeah man, you know say a DJ I tell this. You understand me I say? I come DJ today, you know, sing some conscious song for the people them. You understand me I say? And so right now, what I expect out of this right now are the exposure, you know what I say? Because you don't know you have some song pile up and we want to dust them off and we got to the little thing, the 100% talent where we can expose the song them. You understand? Because a long time I DJ, you understand what I say? I want to dust off some song and we got to show you, we can expose the thing for me. You understand what I say?
Then you want to see no life, then you want to see no school. Then party, go to your hip love like cool. They want to people like when you can't go to the pool and stand it. And them children. Mama them, you know what, God, you know. Hey, 100% talent. I don't know. What I say, man?
Alright, I'm big it up. Big up yourself, G. You're swagging. You know what I mean? Original.
Alright, so big artist right so what is the name?
Yeah, Lyce. You know it's ecstatic, right? That's the thing there, you see it?
Alright, so 100% talent.
Yeah.
You think you have what it takes?
More than what it takes, you know. It's been years me they have family the craft, bro. So this is just one of the platforms them for showcase the talent right away, you see it?
So tell me, what made 100% talent the choice?
Well, honestly, you know, say one of my friends just reached out to me and let me know say there's a competition going on, and I decided say, you know, I'm gonna take on to it and see if it works. And being here, it's definitely, you know, it's an experience. We're really loving it so far.
Put in the work, it am overtime and never overnight. Me style unique, no man, me no sound alike. Bring more flames than the gas stove, you like it on my side. If you start this out of time, feel good for be a winner when you grow up as a stinger. Because I'm the mommy they you consider. The thing I take off like speedboat in a river. I bet me my teacher couldn't come then a figure. We winning with a surprising boss. We have some striving thoughts, fresher than dry clean clothes. Life improve, all of we eyes them frost. Winning, I just a life for your trust.
Hey, the man said fresher than some nice clean clothes, you know. Hey, I want them for the year of the artist, I said. Hey, pick up yourself right now, 100% talent. That me a talk about. Them excited, they come to do them over. What in a real life? Big up on the shop. What do you think about next time?
Yeah man, from when you hear the voice, no, daddy, is it official. When I'm go for girl. Yeah man, you know an idea where I come put out the best in it, is it? Because you get a chance to come showcase the thing, is it? People get paid. Is it? Because that's the most important thing, is it? The exposure, is it? And about the butter, is it?
So,
support daddy, take in the thing, is it? Take time off, you can listen, but we have to bring forth, you see me?
so what can we expect from Daddy Dan today?
You know, the bikers anthem, is it?
Bikers anthem.
Yeah.
So you piece of, you know.
Same time say they look over, can they call me? Make me can say Huawei. I'm a socket double dog run on the now. When me a ride now, I'm saying me a win and keep on me. The police can't walk it far away. We put a big bike in and the army. Gyal a road, we make a flex watch it look up. We take a gyal from any black crazy gyal a start with the but that make a gyal that enough in daddy. Divide them, give we gyal top body. Gyal a let them husband figure we now. That the sound of the double R. It take a girl so we can bring her back in a missile. That the sound of the Kawasaki. Go ask Diddy if he never check a candy graph.
Hey, Daddy Dan, pick up yourself, what you say? And that sound there? Alright, you know what's going on, yeah.
You know how hype this, you know? Race!
Alright, so, race. So, tell me your motivation behind the name there.
You know that I'm a slogan, you know?
Alright, so what are your expectations? Why 100% talent?
Well, you don't know, music are just fun to me, you know, joy, you know. You get me?
And you get the exposure.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. We like the vibes. So, give me a piece of song now.
Yo, chop chop, link knock knock. Tell him pass me my laptop. Somebody a go get chop, somebody a go get knock. Nero just chop a million. T-shop buy out pavilion. Me and Tashin at the minivan days. So me nah leave you, you are my pretty girl. Who that? Harry General. True from your heart, you are for me done. Yo, let's go. Race. Yo, knock knock, link chop chop. Tell him pass me my laptop. Somebody a go get chop, somebody a go get knock. Yo, knock knock, link chop chop. Tell him pass me my laptop. Somebody a go get chop, somebody a go get knock.
Alright, another top artist here, Mike Sharp, but him say, ready for the journey. What the name?
Yeah man, you don't know. Kim Dan, you don't know.
Kim Dan.
Yeah,
alright, 100% talent.
Yeah.
Why?
Me charge me, me static. Introduce it to at first me have a doubt and thing in it, you see me, but since me forward and thing, I love the vibes and then get first chance and come back again for push and see me because you don't know.
We never trust friend boys. If it's something them and yeah, go turn red but me and them, me plan to run them and if them try defend it, me have me gun them. Hey, watch out now, the haters them a bring.
Yeah man, so what are your expectations for today?
Yeah man, me just come shell down the place, you see me, cause I don't know nothing less.
Nothing less?
Nothing.
And when we have to make it out loud, me just smile upon my family, no really want to go on. Try one time hard, me risking at the cost, me cross my wild. These darlings are break and squad up, me serious so we never take that. Me cry the 1 minute, me go in the air, share me have a one strap, yo.
Of course, I really like the concept. Hey, me I tell you, the man is so found some positive message from the other day.
Stop right there, son. Alright, hear me now, people. We are 100% talent show, Jamaica, in a book. You know what I mean? Sky push on the station. I wanna ask you for 10, the judge and give me today now. And you know what? Money are the issue, man. We don't make them a decision. You know, we dark and ready, you know what I mean? Say that. Last night we don't eat and we still drop asleep and now hungry when you wake up. Fed up. Right this up. The message. Right this and the issue of everybody. So pull up the socks later you. Remember the time.
Baby, keep your head up, style pusher. I think that one is a great one. I like the content, you know what I mean? Hey.
Yeah, well, you don't know, you know, G-Loyal, you know. AKA Cash Trouble, I'm there for represent 100% talent Jamaica, you see me? Yeah man, we just bring the fullest to the show, you see me? People want to just look out for me and just support the thing, you know? Today, you know, I prefer money for me because I don't know everybody want money. I just cry right now in the COVID time and thing, you see me?
People know that make money in the street and they call that hot girl them see me and cool up. Money stockpile can't fold up now. Yachts and jets and tour bus. Cash rebel and the clip no bogus. Girls them power team get bonus. Yo, and this money I for make. Later for set, that's what we do. One later I said, I change the greatness, be the best of the best. I for make this official.